So today I got a call and I gotta go recover a old fashioned Ford truck. So I'm gonna hop in my truck, go pick up a trailer, and go recover it. As you can see, I'm rolling up to the trailer store, and all I gotta do is pick up my trailer and then go recover the vehicle. All connected, and then all I gotta do is just go and pick up the truck, which is in the mountains, and then that's pretty much it. Then I could go get my paycheck and then head home. Truck is like deep in the mountains, so I might struggle a little bit trying to get up there, but it shouldn't be that much of a challenge because I got a brand new lifted truck and everything. So you see, I took a wrong turn. I meant to go to the trails, not the campsite, but I had fixed it, so it's all good. Road right there, but I readjust. But now I gotta head to the trails. All I gotta do is just drop off my trailer and then winch the truck up where I can maneuver it and then park it up on a trailer. I just got it connected up. Now all I gotta do is just winch it in and then load it up on the trailer. Still trying to get the trucks where I can maneuver it, and then I gotta yeah. I kinda got it right there, but I'm still struggling to get it unstuck because this truck is pretty heavy. I could get it to where I could load it up on the trailer. I could just hop in it and then just see if I could drive it up on the trailer. If not, I'ma just winch it up. That right there should be good enough where I could just bag it up. So I'ma just hook up to the trailer and then see if I can load it up. Job should pay a lot, so I can't really mess this up. There should be good, but I'ma still see if I can maneuver it a little bit more. But I might just keep it like that. There's left to do is just load up the truck and go get my paycheck and then return home. I was having a little bit of trouble getting it up there, but just had to maneuver it. Now I'm just gonna attach the winch and winch it on up there. Yeah, I was still having a little bit of trouble, so I just hopped up in the truck and then maneuvered it, or I could winch it up on it. As you can see, I'm just winching it up on the trailer, and then I can just go get my paycheck. Is to do is go drop it off at the mechanics and then go get my paycheck. Had a little accident, but I straightened it up, and then yeah, I just gotta head over to the mechanic shop and get my paycheck. just now making it into town, and then I could just head over to the mechanic shop. I crashed it a little bit, but I fixed it up. So yeah. Up to the mechanic shop, and all I gotta do is just drop it off. Gotta bag the trailer into the shop and then just unload it. Alright, so I'm gonna hop in a truck and then unload it, then head off to get my paycheck and then to the house. All there is to do now is drop off this trailer and then head to my house. I swerved off the road right there, but I straightened myself up, so it's all good. On my way home, and all there is to do after this is just head into the living room and then just chill. And that's pretty much it.